Hello and welcome to Ajayastra Money Guru, your trusted source for the latest updates and advanced analysis on commodities. In today's video, we are focusing on the recent movements in ICE cotton futures, driven by a combination of favorable weather, shifting market dynamics, and key reports from the USDA. On Tuesday, we observed a notable decline in cotton futures prices. The December cotton contracts dropped by 1.08 cents, closing at 67.99 cents per pound. This downturn was also reflected in the March and May contracts, which ended the day at 69.57 cents and 70.91 cents per pound, respectively. The recent dip in cotton prices follows a brief rally earlier this week, sparked by the U.S. Department of Agriculture's latest supply-demand report. The USDA lowered its production and ending stock estimates for the 2024-25 crop year, briefly boosting prices. However, the bearish trend resumed as market participants digested additional data. One of the key factors contributing to the pressure on cotton prices is the USDA's weekly crop progress report. Released on Monday, the report showed that 46% of the U.S. cotton crop is now rated in good to excellent condition, up slightly from 45% the previous week. Furthermore, the USDA's crop production report indicated a decrease in both planted and harvested cotton acreage. Planted acreage stands at 11.17 million acres, while harvested acreage has dropped to 8.63 million acres, reflecting a reduction from earlier estimates. Another significant factor influencing the cotton market is the movement in crude oil prices. After a 5-session winning streak, crude oil prices finally saw a decline, adding to the downward pressure on cotton futures. The drop in oil prices makes polyester, a key substitute for cotton, more affordable, further weighing on cotton prices. Additionally, ICE cotton stocks were reduced by 2,565 bales through decertification on August 9, bringing certified stocks down to 15,796 bales. The Kotlook A index, a global benchmark for cotton prices, saw an increase of 100 points on August 12, reaching 79.70 cents per pound. Meanwhile, the USDA's average world price, AWP, stands at 55.24 cents per pound, effective through Thursday. In terms of market sentiment, cotton speculators have increased their net short positions by 2,526 contracts, bringing the total to 54,942 contracts as of August 6. As we move forward, the outlook for cotton prices remains uncertain, with market dynamics continuing to shift. We will be monitoring these developments closely and will provide you with the latest updates as they unfold. Thank you for tuning into Ajayastra Money Guru. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with the latest trends and insights in the commodities market. Until next time, stay informed and make smart trading decisions.